crumbling drywall edges around windows or doors can totally mess up your room's vibe and even cause bigger damage if you don't fix it right. So, when you notice those drywall edges starting to crumble or crack, first thing is to clean up any loose bits and dust around the area. Grab some joint compound. This stuff is like magic for filling cracks and smoothing rough spots. Next, you want to use drywall tape to help hold everything together and stop the cracks from coming back. Press the tape firmly over the damaged edges while the compound is still wet, then spread another layer of compound on top to seal it in. Let it dry completely, which usually takes about 24 hours, and then sand it down gently so it's nice and smooth with the rest of your wall. If the edges are really bad, you might need to apply 2 or 3 layers of compound, sanding between each one. Finally, once everything looks good, paint over the repair so it blends in and no one will even notice the fix. One of the biggest mistakes with repairing crumbling drywall edges around windows or doors is not cleaning the area properly before applying joint compound, which makes the patch peel off later. Always remove dust and loose bits first. Another common issue is using too little drywall tape or skipping it altogether. Tape is what keeps cracks from popping back up, so never skip that step. The third mistake is rushing the drying process or not sanding enough between layers, leading to a bumpy finish. Patience here really pays off to get that smooth look. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix drywall issues like these without a hitch. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to find new jobs and grow their business by showing off their skills to people who really need them.